English, especially in formal or service settings, how you say something is just as important as what you say. When you strip away politeness markers like could, please, I'd like to, what's left can sound aggressive or just plain confusing.
So, what's the lesson here?
Lesson 1. Polite hotel check-in phrases. If you're ever in this situation, here are 3 natural options. Option 1. Formal. Good evening, I'd like to check in please. I have a reservation under the name Alex. Option 2. More casual. Hi there, I think I have a booking. My name is Alex. And option 3. Casual but polite. Excuse me, checking in please. Reservation under Alex.
And the golden phrase here is, I'd like to. It's softer than I want and far more polite than give me. It's versatile too. You can use it in so many situations. I'd like a table for 2. I'd like to speak to the manager. Or, I'd like the window seat, please.
Exactly. It makes you sound polite, confident, and natural. So, listeners, wherever you are, say it out loud with me. I'd like to check in, please.
Notice how smooth and polite it feels. That's your English working for you.